My people, my people, my people, it's the Wealthy Guy here in collaboration with Black Men's Beard for Fresh Fashion Fridays. And today I'm going to be talking about how to get 3 looks with just 1 look. Style is not about how much you spend on clothes or how many articles of clothing you have. Style is all about how you put your looks together to make it your own. Now, for this first look, I paired a green jacket, a blue vest, a red gingham print shirt, a pink paisley tie, and brown trousers. Now, a look like this can be worn to the office. It can be worn after work. This is a versatile look. Even though it's dressed up with the tie and even the pocket square, it still lets people know that you mean business and it's not as formal as a full suit. Now, for the second look, I ditched the jacket. Now I have the blue vest on, the red gingham print shirt, the pink paisley tie, and the brown trousers. Now, with this look, by tossing the jacket, it gives it a more casual feel. So even though I have on the tie, without the jacket, it's a little more relaxed, but it still lets people know that you mean business, and it's still a very dapper look. This look can also be worn to the office as well as on a date or to another type of event that still lets people know that, hey, I have style, I am a little more relaxed, but still, I'm about my business. And for the third look, I've ditched the vest, I put the jacket back on, so now I have the green jacket, the red gingham print shirt, the pink paisley tie, and the brown trousers. Now, the tie takes front and center of the look. Because it's pink, there's this pop of color, and with this pop of color, it lets people know that yes, I'm fun, I'm a little more casual, but I'm still about my business. And you put the jacket back on with that, so again, it brings it to a little more of a casual look than just having a vest on, but still lets people know that you mean business. Remember, you don't need a lot of clothes to look good. When you go shopping, you should shop for classic, timeless clothing. Clothing that never goes out of style. And when you shop like that, you'll always be in style. It's the Wealthy Guy here in collaboration with my people over at Black Men's Beard for Fresh Fashion Fridays. And if you want more style tips from the Wealthy Guy, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Facebook and Instagram at The Wealthy Guy. Until then, I'll see you soon.